Welcome to a journey into how to achieve YouTube monetization, where viewers like you can take your channel from zero experience to earning potential. If you're aiming to boost your YouTube channel metrics, improve your content, and monetize as quickly as possible, this overview is for you. Imagine starting with just a few subscribers and minimal watch time, needing to reach YouTube's requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year. This might sound like a mountain to climb, but with the right approach, it's achievable. On January 1st, 2024, our case study channel had only 69 subscribers and 230 watch hours. Through a steady approach of consistent uploads, niche selection, and gradual improvements, this channel reached monetization in just 10 weeks. Here, we'll outline the journey and share some valuable tips that could help you reach the YouTube Partner Program requirements faster. The channel's journey began humbly, with the first upload, a simple clip of a dog walk, garnering barely any views. Initially, the motivation behind starting this channel was to document a cruise, a new experience for the creator, and to share it on YouTube. From there, the channel slowly began to take shape. Uploads followed, but it was only by New Year's Day 2024, after discovering the potential of monetization, that a focused commitment was made to get monetized as quickly as possible. Steps to rapid YouTube growth. Consistency is key. The creator committed to uploading twice a week, an analytics video every Sunday and a niche topic midweek. YouTube experts stress that consistency is critical for growth, and by committing to this routine, the channel maintained steady engagement and built a loyal audience. Learn from others. Watching YouTube guides, creator interviews, and videos from experts in the platform's workings is crucial. One notable takeaway was a piece of advice from Mr. Beast: your first videos are going to be rough, but every video should improve in at least one way. This mindset encouraged ongoing improvement without perfectionism, making each video better than the last. Embrace a DIY approach. You don't need expensive gear to start. This creator used a smartphone, a basic tripod, and minimal equipment to make videos. Shooting in familiar places like home or outdoors with a pet kept things simple and relatable. Focus on a niche, but be flexible. Establishing a niche keeps content relevant, but adjusting based on viewer interest is valuable. When the channel hit a slow growth phase, responding to viewers' comments, especially regarding personal experiences, sparked more engagement. Listening to subscribers helped adapt the content to what viewers truly wanted to see. Double down on what works. If a video gains traction, use that momentum. When one video outperformed the rest, the creator followed up with related content, which led to viral reach and exponential subscriber growth. Results? With hard work, dedication, and a bit of flexibility, the channel hit 1,000 subscribers by February 29th and reached the required 4,000 watch hours by March 3rd, marking just over 2 months of focused effort. The channel received an invitation to the YouTube Partner Program, and within a month, revenue began flowing in. By adhering to simple principles, commitment, consistency, learning from others, staying adaptable, and improving with each video, the channel achieved its monetization goal. Final thoughts to everyone watching and working toward YouTube success. You don't need perfect content or high-end equipment. With the right approach, clear goals, and the ability to learn and adapt, you can grow your channel and reach monetization. If this video offered any useful insights, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or thoughts on your own journey.